Hey guys, this is Mainak, your civil bro. So today we are going to see how to prepare electrical pipe conduit plan for buildings in AutoCAD. So basically, let's first understand what is the system in which the electrical installations are done in a building, and let's have a basic idea of how everything works. So let's get started. So first of all, you have the main line from which the wires come, and we have an energy meter, and you also have after the energy meter often have main switch and after the the or before the energy meter, and after the this energy meter it comes to the MCB. So the MCB has connections to various parts, and from this various part that can be either can be normal junction or can be a junction with fan loop. So from that the wires go to various these devices, switchboards, and from that we get electricity in our houses. So it basically depends on the architectural plan of how, suppose if it's a bedroom, then there we need to have switches in some areas. If it's a living room, we have need to have switchboards in some areas near the TV. So like that, we have to do things. So basically, the architectural plan or the arrangement of the building or the purpose of the building serves a way in which this conduit pipes are placed. So you can see this. This is the top view of the conduit pipe. You can see this is the MCU box, and from this part, this conduit pipes are going. These are this can be of various thickness 1 inch. Are usually the thickness here, and you can see this is also the drawing of a picture of a site, and just before the concreting. So this conduiting has to be done in a slab before. Conduit pipes have to be laid before the concreting process, so that everything can be in order. So having said that, let's see in AutoCAD. So basically we have this drawing in AutoCAD here. So we are going to do the electrical conduiting plan of this particular plan. So first of all, you can see, let's observe this plan very briefly. So this is the parking area, this is the bedroom, this is the kitchen, dining area, living area, and we have two bedrooms with toilets, and we have a puja space here. So this is the ground floor plan, and I have some symbols here. So these symbols are necessary for making this plan. So let's go forward. So first thing which I'll do is you need to take the plan and you need to copy this. Let's say this copied, and all let's put it in a particular layer. Okay, let me just create a layer first. Layer properties. I'll go to layer properties and I'll create a layer, and I'll just make this with this color, and this is a layer one, and layer one is this color here, and I'll just close this. So I'll select them all and make this layer one. Okay, and some you can see some positions have not changed. So I'll just select this and explode them. Explode because there are some blocks here. Okay, now everything's exploded. Right. Select and explode again. Now everything exploded. Select again and just make them in layer one, and everything is by layer. Okay, so everything is now gray, so that I can just use this diagram here. So I don't need this electrical in the electrical layout plan. So I'll just use this instead. Okay. So first of all, let's start with this bedroom. So this bedroom needs a fan, obviously. So we'll have a fan hook here. So we'll just copy this fan hook. Let's see what is the symbol here. So this is junction box with fan hook. So we need junction box at this at almost the center. We'll just place the junction box. Let's place it here. The junction box for the fan, and we have the ceiling lights. So this ceiling lights here, we'll just have it here. The ceiling lights, let's have the 4 ceiling lights at the 4 corners, one, and try to just keep it symmetrical distance here. So these are the junction boxes. So these ceilings here. Now we have to connect them. Okay. So for connecting them, we need some junction boxes. Okay. So here junction box without the fan book. So it is J only. The only difference is this doesn't have the fan book. So here I'll just place it here and place it here, right? And then we're going to do uh, we're going to connect them, okay? And everything, if anything is not in line, we're just going to bring them in line, okay? Turn the ortho on and just bring them in line. It's better I had done them in blocks. Here, just okay. This is a block. So like this, we'll connect this and also we'll connect this one. Let's have a line here. To this center. This junction box and then a line. Let's copy this line only. Could have mirrored it also actually friendly. Want to just make this into a block for future reference. Okay. So now we need to give some switch box. So before making the switch box, let me just make a layer here quick. Go to layer properties and I'll just do a layer here. This will be line one, or line two, and let's do line two. And this will be, let's say, suppose let's put this pink, and another layer will be line one. Okay, let's make this red, right? Okay, so current layer will do line two. These are all line two. So I'll do this as line two. These are uh, line two. And in this particular what you're missing, we need a switchboard, right? We need a switchboard. So let's take the switchboard from here. Switchboard at the entrance. Obviously, we need a switchboard at the entrance. Take this from the entrance here. So right near the door, we'll have a switchboard. Okay, and for the bed light or something, we'll need another switchboard here. If you want a bed lamp or anything here. So I'll just rotate this and just move this switchboard here. We just move it a little bit here near the bed. So if we have any reading and stuff going on, and we need another switchboard for the TV. So this is switchboard for the TV. Rotate this. Okay. Need the switchboard for the TV. So we can just write TV here because this is a special thing. So just write TV. This is basically a switchboard, but a switchboard for the TV. And we need a switchboard for the AC. Okay. So you just select this switchboard for the AC. So just above the window, you give the AC point, right? It so the window with the AC point here. It's right AC because the AC wires, they are thick, so you cannot just. It's very better to denote them, right? So yes. So now let's keep the connections here. Line 2 is selected. Now from this box, just keep the connection here, and from this only give the. This is a switchboard which will not use much electricity, so you can just take this from this junction box, right? And now from for this AC, so this AC line wires are usually thick, so you can give the connection from this false ceiling point as well for light for this, but AC wires are usually thick, so this will be very much congested, so it's better to give from a junction box. So we use the wire from the fan box, okay, to give the switch for the AC. And you'll have if you want fan box in the toilet, you can give. Some people like prefer to have the fan box nowadays in the toilet also. So let's give this because most of your clients would prefer nowadays to have a fan in the bathroom. So you can give them a fan box here. Okay, just this fan box here, and we connect, give a straight line. It's better with a straight line. Straight line and go to the other toilet. This is done, and if you want, you can just keep the connection from here, so there will be no additional switchboards or something. There will be a switchboard here, obviously in the your toilet. So we can give this switchboard connection from here. So let's give it to be this side TV. Let's take this TV1. Just SB switchboard, SB switchboard here, and another switchboard will be here. For the other toilet. So we want to give this ceiling lights as well. Just make it a lot better. Ceiling lights. Let's give 2 ceiling lights here, right? This is perpendicular, so we'll select this. But here, and another one. Another one will just give it below. This perpendicular one, one here, and one here. Delete this. Okay. So you can now easily connect them. junction box nearby, so we'll just connect them used from the junction box. Switchboard, and this there are not much wires here, so you can do this from here only. This light on the bathroom wires here. We will take the connection from here to here. So this is pretty much it for the conduit plan for this particular room. And similarly, we'll have to do the plan for the entire building here. But we know that the another important thing which I want to show you is the MCB location. So MCB location can be near the stairs or below the stairs or something, some location where it's beyond the reach of children or something. So it is best if you give the thing in such a location, and also in such a location where adults can access it anytime, where if you want to turn it off, you can turn it off easily. So it can be in the living area, and can be below the staircase or any location. So I'll just you choose this location, and because this is efficient and it covers it's in the middle of the building, and it's also in the living room, so it's accessible. So I'll use this location as the MCB location here. So MCB location, and just copy it here. I'll just rotate this and move it here. So I'll just do this line 1. So all these switchboards, all the junctions are in connection with the MCB. So this the main junction. So and this is connected to everything. So this all will be in one single thing. So this is one line. Suppose, and this bedroom and this puja space I can put in another line. And another thing which you can do, if you want to put the geyser and all in the exhaust fan and geyser also in the bathroom, you can also do. Let's put the exhaust fan and geyser also. Just make them a group first. There is a group. Yeah, this is a group. This is not a group. Just make this group better. We enter. This is geyser. So we'll take the exhaust fan first, copy, and we'll just place it. One exhaust fan, will place it here, and another exhaust fan will place it here in the ventilator actually. So there will be a duct from this ventilator which will flow the air from this fan to this fan to outside like this. So there will be another exhaust fan here. Okay, and about the your geyser. So let's copy the geyser symbol here. So geyser will be in the bathing area. So one geyser will be here, about here, and another one about here. So this little bit, and line 2. This will be line 2, and take the lines here from the fan hook and this make connection, and this fan hook and make connection from here, make another connection to the exhaust fan, and from this fan hook and make connection to this exhaust fan. So like this you can denote the connection, and for all the rooms we can do this, and the main connection of each particular group. Suppose a room or a room and a small part like room and a toilet, all this can go to the MCB through this line 1. So this is how pretty much you make the electrical plan, and you can use the your legends and everything. So if you like this effort, if you have learned something, make sure you like the video. It really helps me out to reach more people. Thank you. Keep learning. Bye bye.